Hi everyone, this is teacher Tess again. Welcome to Totally True Book 3. Hi everyone, this is the second part again of the chapter test, okay? So for your first test today, you're going to do this part here. Are the sentences true or false? Then you're going to check the correct box, okay? If it's true, then you're going to correct T, and if it's false, then you're going to correct here. Now let's start. A stone will float when you throw it into a river. What's the answer? Okay, it's false. It will not float, but it will sink. Next is your chest is part of your body. Yes, it's true. The opposite of sharp is strong. No. Okay, so the answer here is false because the opposite of sharp is dull. Next is poison can kill you. Yes, this is a true sentence. Winter and spring are seasons. Yes, it's correct. Here, cruel is the opposite of kind. Yes, this is true. Okay. Next is a basement is at the top of a house. It's false because basement is the lowest part of the house, and the use of computers is growing. Well, yes, okay, because there are many people who are using computers now, okay, so the answer here is true. Now, students, let's move on to our next exercise. Here, you're going to circle the item that completes each sentence. Okay, letter A. Many students were blank from school yesterday. So, what is the answer here? Okay, it's number 2. Were absent. Okay, now let's go to letter B. The painting is blank. What's the answer here? Very good. It's number 1. The painting is upside down. Now let's move on to letter C. She'll blank you at work tomorrow. What's the answer here? Very good. It's number 2. Contact. She'll contact you at work tomorrow. Now let's move on. He was injured in a car accident last year, but blank after a few weeks. What's the answer? Very good. Here it's number 4. Recovered. He was injured. Again, he was injured in a car accident last year, but recovered after a few weeks. Next is I didn't like the movie. It was blank. You didn't like, that means the movie was dull. Okay? Dull, it means it's not interesting, it's boring. Now, students, let's go to our last exercise. In this part, I want you to match the definition with the words. Advise. Advice, so what is the meaning of this word? Very good. When we say advice, that means to tell someone what they should do. So the answer here is number 2. Next word is control. What is control? Okay, when we say control, it is the part of a machine that you move to make it work. So the answer is number 3. Now let's go to letter C, by accident. What's the answer here? When we say by accident, it means by chance, not planned. So the answer is number 5. Letter D, the word shock. What is this one? Okay, very good. When we say shock, it means a very bad surprise. So the answer here is number 6. Now, the next word is meanwhile. And when we say meanwhile, it means at the same time as something else is happening. So the answer here is number 4. And the last word is gas. When we say gas, it means anything that is like air, for example, oxygen. So the answer here is number 1. Well, students, this is all for today, and please don't forget to watch this video again. Thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you next time as we explore this book together. Bye now.